Hey John, do you know how to cook?
A little bit, yes. I can make omelette, noodles, and tea. What about you?
I like cooking very much. I often cook breakfast for my family.
That's nice. What do you usually make for breakfast?
Sometimes I make parathas, sometimes sandwiches, and sometimes idli.
Wow, that's a good variety. Do you also cook lunch?
Yes, but only on weekends. I usually make rice, dal, and curry.
Sounds delicious. My favorite food is biryani. Do you know how to cook it?
Yes, but it takes a lot of time. You need rice, chicken, spices, and vegetables.
I want to learn that someday. Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, I watch YouTube recipes. That's how I learn new dishes.
That's a great idea. Yesterday I tried to make pasta after watching a video.
Really? How was it?
It was tasty, but I added too much cheese.
Haha, that happens. Do you prefer cooking or eating outside?
I prefer home food. It's healthier and cleaner. What about you?
Same here, but sometimes I like to eat pizza or burgers outside.
Me too. What is your favorite dish to cook?
I love making vegetable curry. It is easy and healthy.
That's good. I want to try cooking with you one day.
Sure, we can cook together and share recipes.
Great. Maybe we can make chapati and curry next time.
Perfect idea. Let's do it on Sunday.
Deal. Cooking together will be fun.
Yes, and we can also enjoy the meal together.
I'm excited already.
Hi Arjun, what do you usually eat for lunch?
Hi Maya. I usually eat rice with dal and some vegetables. What about you?
I like to eat chapati with curry. Sometimes I eat salad too.
That's healthy. Do you cook by yourself?
Sometimes, yes, I can make chapati and simple sabzi.
Nice. I want to learn how to make chapati. It looks difficult.
At first it's hard, but after practice it becomes easy.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I enjoy cooking new dishes. Last week I made pasta for the first time.
Really? How did it turn out?
It was good, but I forgot to add enough salt.
Haha, that happens to me too. Do you prefer spicy food or mild food?
I prefer spicy food. I love eating paneer curry with spices. What about you?
I like mild food. Too much spice makes me uncomfortable.
That's okay, everyone has different tastes.
True. What will you cook tonight?
I think I will make rice and vegetable curry. And you?
I will make noodles because they are quick and easy.
Good choice. Cooking at home is always better than eating outside.
Yes, homemade food is healthy and tasty.
Hi Sam. What did you have for breakfast today?
Hi Alex. I had bread with butter and a cup of tea. What about you?
I ate some eggs and toast. I also had a glass of milk.
That sounds healthy. Do you usually cook your breakfast?
Sometimes I do, but most days my mom cooks for me. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. I often make pasta and fried rice.
Wow, that's nice. What is your favorite meal of the day?
I think dinner is my favorite meal. I like to eat with my family at night. What about you?
For me, lunch is my favorite. I enjoy rice, dal, and vegetables.
Do you know how to cook rice?
Yes, It's simple. I wash the rice, add water, and cook it on the stove.
That's right. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy curry. What about you?
I like mild food, not too spicy. But I enjoy trying new dishes.
Same here. Last week I tried making noodles at home.
Really? How did they taste?
They were delicious, but a little salty. I need to improve.
Don't worry, cooking takes practice. Do you want to learn new recipes?
Yes, I do. Maybe we can cook together someday.
That's a great idea. We can make pizza or sandwiches.
Perfect. Cooking with friends is always fun.
True. So, what will you have for dinner tonight?
I think I'll have chapati with vegetables. And you?
I'll eat rice with chicken curry.
Nice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You too.
Hey Rahul, do you help in the kitchen at home?
Yes, sometimes. I cut vegetables and wash dishes. Do you help?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. My mom teaches me new recipes.
That's great. What is your favorite dish to cook?
I love cooking fried rice with vegetables. What about you?
I can make omelette and tea very well.
That's useful. Breakfast is important. What do you usually eat in the morning?
I usually eat bread with jam and a glass of milk.
Simple and healthy. For me, I eat dosa or poha in the morning.
Wow, that's nice. Do you also bake cakes?
Yes. I baked a chocolate cake last month. It was yummy.
I wish I could taste it. Do you follow recipes from books or the internet?
Mostly from YouTube videos. They are easy to follow.
Same here. I once tried making pizza after watching a video.
And how was it?
It was not perfect, but I enjoyed making it.
That's the best part. Enjoying cooking.
Yes, cooking is fun and also a good skill.
Absolutely. We should cook together one day.
Sure, that will be fun.